There we go. Here we come, zombies.
Little zombies like to eat them.
Okay, you did watch your stick there, dude.
Look, right here.
Yeah?
Me and my grandpa and Dad, we went right down there.
Yeah?
And we found it.
Oh, no.
And we found a large boy eating some bats, and he threw it on the ground.
He ate. Whoa, I think that's enough. We don't want a bunch of zombies, Jason. Oh, you're going to get them?
I want to get him too.
Okay, you guys get in front because you're the zombie killers.
Get in front too. In front too. You go too fast.
Oh, look at them. They're anxious. That might have a surprise.
Which way this way?
Yeah. I think you guys should turn right. Go down that way because that looks like it's a scarier trail. Let's go that way.
Let's go down that. Let's
Yeah.
go down that path.
Right down here.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Down that
No, I
path.
think this way's better. Yeah. No, this way I think. Yeah.
I think that's okay.
Take off. You guys say you guys are zombie killers. Why are you guys waiting for us?
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Go.
That kid.
Where they gotta go down?
Where the hell do we gotta go?
Get him, son. Get him.
No.
Get
You're
him.
not gonna fight him?
Get him, Jordan. Kill him. Still looking.